Well, thanks for joining me on this walk. Before I set out on most of my walks, I don't really have a plan of what I want to talk about. I kind of let the walk tell me. But this morning, I think that as I left my driveway, I thought, what can I talk about? Well, I think I'll talk about how I talk to you guys, or y'all, since I live in Texas, y'all. As I walk this Saturday morning, feeling a little bit of drizzle, and it's about 50 degrees, which is a perfect walk-in temperature as far as I'm concerned. So, anyway, as far as walking and talking, when you're talking to a camera, I notice that there's people that are making videos about how do you get over your fear of speaking, or how do you improve your speaking when you're talking to a camera or talking to people that you don't know or unfamiliar surroundings, I guess. Well, the way I like to do it is pretty simple. Think of somebody that you enjoy having conversations with and treat that camera like it's the person you're talking to. Although in this situation, it's just a one-way conversation. So basically, I'll look at the camera and I'll think, oh, I'm just talking to my dad out having a walk. Or I'm talking to my daughter, or my granddaughter, or my son, or my wife, or my mom, or whoever. And that's how I do it. So I'm not trying to speak to somebody I don't know, somebody that I'm not familiar with. I'm actually talking to you. And that way you can kind of get over your apprehension about how you're speaking, instead of it sounding like it's prepared or it's rehearsed, or you're nervous. Just talk to the camera like you're talking to somebody that you're related to, somebody that you enjoy having conversations with, and then it's fine.